Friends, before getting into the video, let me say you one thing. In our channel, there is a giveaway is going on. If you are interested to participate in this giveaway, the link is in the description box. There will be a video link in the description box. You can go and click and watch it. In that, I will be saying the rules and regulations of this giveaway and all. 20 subscribers is gonna get gifts. So if you are interested, go and participate in this giveaway. So now let's get into the video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Malininewfashion. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a simple face pack using only 3 or 4 ingredients. So let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, means please subscribe and click the bell icon and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my brother's and mother's channel also. Link is in the description box. So now let's get into the video. First, take a bowl and add a gram flour for 1 tablespoon, and then you should add half spoon of red sandalwood powder. Then I'm gonna add turmeric powder in a small spoon, 1 tablespoon, and then I'm gonna mix them all well. Now in this wet ingredients, I'm gonna add rose water. I'm gonna choose rose water from Dabur. So and now I'm adding for how much I needed. Now I'm gonna mix it and apply this pack for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash my face. Then it will be very nice. Your face will look very nice and glowing. So thank you for watching, friends. Bye bye. Let me see you in the next video.